Hey everyone, welcome to puzzle 7. So in this puzzle, we have two people. One is the owner and the second one is the worker. So what happens is this worker works for the owner for 7 days, and for each day owner has to give the worker one gold rod. So owner has this one gold rod which is of 7 units in total. There's one big piece of gold and he has to give one unit out of the total 7 units to this worker every day. Okay, so we can say that total gold is equal to 7 units, pay per day to 1 unit. So now the catch is the gold road, which is of 7 units, is complete one road. So this whole thing is 7 units. Now your given is owner can make maximum 2 cuts. So what you can do is maybe you can cut it in 1 unit and give it to this person. You're left with 6 units. Then again you can cut 1 unit, give it to this person, you have 5 units. But now you cannot give directly 5 units to that person and you cannot make more cuts. So that's the thing. You have to think like of the 7 units how you are going to make 2 cuts so that every day you can give the worker 1 unit. Pause, think, and we'll be back. So I hope you got the answer. If not, let's see. So what we are going to do is step 1. So we are going to cut 1 unit, because see, there's no way you can give 1 unit out of 7 units. Like you cannot make a 2 unit or 3 unit cut. You'll have to make a cut for 1 unit so that you can give it to that person. Cut 1 unit. So now you are left with 6 units of road and 1 unit given to that person. So now the second step is, so here we will show the smartness. What we are going to do is in step 2, now since we have only 6 units, what we'll do is we'll cut it at 2. So 4 units here, 2 units here. Okay, so we will cut 2 units. Now the thing is, we cannot directly give 2 units to that person, because that would make like already he has 1 unit, and giving 2 units would make 3 units, and this is day 2, and in day 2 we cannot give 3 units. Okay, so what we are going to do is we will take 1 unit and give 2 units. So this way what we have with us would be like, since we cut 2 units out of this, we are left with 4 units. Okay, so we have 4 units, plus we got 1 unit back from that person. Let me change this color to yellow. Yeah, and now that person has 2 units. Okay, in fact a single block of 2 units. So this way on day 2 we have given that person 2 units and we have 5 units. And how many cuts we made? We made first cut here, we made second cut here. So that would mean we cannot make any more cuts. Okay, so what we are going to do next is, in fact I would say instead of steps we can write it as day 1 and day 2. Now we are up to day 3 and we cannot cut anymore. So let me write it. We cannot cut anymore. So what we are going to do now is, that person has 2 units, we have to give 1 more unit, and with us we already have 1 unit. So directly just give 1 unit. So this way we'll have with us is 4 unit, and that person will have 3 units, one of 2, another of 1. Okay, now we are up to day 4. So again we cannot cut and we cannot give 4, that would make it 7, and it's only day 4, so we have to make him 4. So what we are going to do is we're gonna take this and give this. So it's simple now. Take 3 units, give 4 units. Kind of you can say we are swapping these. So now what we have is, we have with us is 3 units, 2 and 1, and that guy has 4 units, one single block. Okay, now coming over to day 5. So that guy has 4 units, we already have 1 unit, so we are directly gonna give him 1 unit. It would make us with 2 units and he would have 5 units, 1 and 4. Now coming to day 6. Now it's same process, like you take 1 and give 2. So we'll say take 1, give 2. So this way we'll have 1 unit and that guy would have 6 units, should be 4 and 2. And now last day 7, directly give 1 unit. So this way we are left with nothing, and that guy has 7 units of 4, of 2, of 1. Cool. So that's how we solve this problem. If you think there's some another solution of some another way of cutting this, then do let me know in the comments. I'll pin that and I'll see you with the next puzzle. Thank you.